the early stages of the project, it was a lot of R&D and a lot of we wrote a technical paper and just figuring out exactly how this thing would work. And then in the past couple recent years, we actually started putting things together and ordering parts and assembling the whole thing and testing it. We take the best of both worlds. We take a solid fuel grain and a liquid oxidizer, and we make a rocket. This school year, we built a new test stand that will hold or stabilize a rocket engine during static testing. We made a new oxidizer tank, came up with a new solution to fuel grain failures that we had. We put together a new igniter, and all those things came together in cohesion to make the university's first hot fire. It's just stuff like this takes time, and nobody's going to get anything on the first try or the first iteration. So it's a lot of just coming up with a design, refining, testing, refining again, and then testing some more. So this year we kind of did enough testing, and we were able to put all the pieces together to make something presentable. Coming into this, I know nothing about rocketry. This position has allowed me to expand my horizons and expand my knowledge on a bunch of different things, and also work together as a group in a very technical project that has never been done before at school.
So this year we pretty much redesigned the whole of the electronics, which included, making a board that sort of connected everything together, connected to a Arduino with a laptop, which measured stuff like how much the ball valve opened, and again the measurements from the load cell, and just a lot of soldering wires and putting components together. So I'm a electrical engineering major, so electronics are kind of a big part of my major, and all this hands-on experience I've gotten through working on this project. It's been a really beneficial experience compared to just learning the theory in classes. One challenge that we experienced actually this past week was certain connections on our breadboard not being fully secure, which led to the ball valve opening at random times, which was not very good. And so we plan to remedy that by desoldering and resoldering the board, specifically the connections that were faulty. All the work we put in this year and all the work that others put in the previous years had finally come together to create a successful product. There's multiple possibilities, which include possibly making a bigger engine or potentially putting the engine in a rocket.